This could be a good shelter for me. Huh? What's that noise? Huh? Uh, Hello, Miss Birdie. Did I just break into your shelter? Uh, I just only temporarily gonna stay here until the weather is nicer in the next day. Huh? Just please, don't do something bad on me. Just please. Ah! Huh? Ah! You you see me as an intruder? Ah! Oh my god! Wow! Oh, hey you, just drag this floor so you can grab my head. Ugh. Come on, okay, just pull me in. Thanks for watching this video. Like and comment this video and subscribe for more content. Lesson today: do not go to a shelter that actually belongs to someone. Please don't be like me on that.